What's up, YouTube world? It's a natural PYT. I know I was supposed to come back a couple of days ago to show you guys the updates of my Senegalese puffy twist, but I had finals and I've been working, but I'm back. So this is how they turned out. I'll give you a 360 so you can see how long it is in the back. This is how long they are. Once again, I use the color 1. I used to use a 1B, but they didn't have that, so I just got a 1. Looks almost the same, but this is it. I'm loving it so far. My goal is to keep these in for 4 weeks. That may not seem like a long time to y'all, but it really is to me, and I'm really gonna try to make it this time. Only thing I've been putting in my hair is my herbal oil. I've been putting it. I take it and I just massage the oil. I put the herbal oil from my roots to my ends, or to the ends, just like I would do if I was moisturizing my regular hair. So I put that on there every day, just to keep it moisturized, so I can keep it while it won't get dry while it's in the braids. That reduces the breakage. So I actually wanted to come to you guys and show you a style that I wore today. It was Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. But I wore an updo that I wanted to come to show you guys how I did it. So it's really easy. All you need is one bobby pin. And I've been using the big bobby pins for my braids since they're long. So one bobby pin, and it's an updo. Takes about 3 minutes if they're long. Really easy. Let's get started. So what you want to do is get all of the braids to the front first. So this is the easiest way to get them to the front. Just tilt your head forward. And when you get all of them to the front, you don't feel any lumps. You want to kind of do like one big flat twist going to the front, like so. Okay, so now that I have all this to the front, what I'm going to do now is kind of like a big fishtail braid, but not as perfect as you would do one. So basically what I'm doing is taking the hair from the outsides and just putting it in the middle like that at the same time. So just taking it, bringing it forward like that, and I'm just going down. So I'm going to do that for as long as I can. And when I get to the ends, I'm going to twist it. Okay, so now I will go ahead and twist. And if you have any loose braids, don't worry about those, because we can tuck those in, so don't worry. So now that I have this, make sure it's okay on the sides and everything. It should look like this. Now I'm going to take this right here and just simply swoop it to the side like that. Swoop it. Take my bobby pin and just pin it right here. Now you want to go back and tuck in all the loose braids that you had. And this is it. This is all you do. Just tuck it to the side and that's it. I'll go ahead and give you a 360. And that's my style that I wore today. Something so simple. I never knew styling braids was this simple, but it is. So as I try more things, I'll come and show you guys what I'm trying and show you guys how I'm doing it. So if you have any questions, I'll be back. So if you have any more questions or comments, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. I really thank you guys for watching. Keep watching. A Natural PYT. Stay tuned.